Good morning, students. Welcome in SST class. You must have understood by looking at the diagram what is today's topic. Yes, today's topic is rock cycle. Before you begin investigating the rock cycle, review what you know about igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Understanding how rock are formed and being able to identify their characteristics is key to understanding the rock cycle. So, first of all, I would like you to repeat the different types of rock. Already I told you about three types of rock. So, I repeat again. First, igneous rock are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Second, sedimentary rock are formed by the deposition of sediments at the earth's surface within water bodies. Number third, metamorphic rock. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure. Now I explain rock cycle. The rock cycle is a process that all rocks constantly undergo as they move and transform into different types of rocks and materials. Think of as rock being recycled and changed into other materials and rocks. Look at the diagram from the beginning of this topic again. The arrows show how temperature, pressure, weathering and erosion play a role in changing rocks. My first question is, what is rock cycle? The process of transformation of the rocks from one to another is known as the rock cycle. I repeat again, the process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as the rock cycle. Now, this process I explain by one topic, one by one point. Number one, rock came from lava and go back to lava, but in the process they might change from one type to another. When the molten magma cools, it solidifies to becomes igneous rock. Look, volcanic eruption, magma, and when magma is cooling, yes, form igneous rock. The igneous rock are broken down into small particles like look sediments, small particles that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rock. Yes, sedimentary rock made by sediments. When the igneous and sedimentary rock are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rock. Look, heat and pressure, sedimentary rock and igneous rock are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rock. The metamorphic rock which are still under great heat and pressure melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rock. Look the diagram again. volcanic eruption, igneous rock are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Then weathering igneous rock made sediments, and sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of sediments. Igneous rock and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rock under great heat and pressure, and then the metamorphic rock which are still under great heat and pressure melt down to form molten magma, and this molten magma again can cool down and solidify into igneous rock. Chapter 2 is over with rock cycle. I will send you complete notes. I hope my explanation will help you for understand this topic. If you have any confusion or doubt, drop a comment. Have a good day.